It is once again time for the Law on You with the area's premier attorneys. Greg Fellerman, Molly Clark join us today. Today's question is one of those circumstances that you probably never thought about until you're in it. And Alex in Scranton writes in, my friend was driving during our road trip when we were rear-ended in another state, and now I'm unsure how or even where to file a claim.
All right, Alex, you can definitely file a claim. We would have to ask you some more questions, see, where it happened, who the person that rear-ended you, where they were from. There's a lot of pieces of the puzzle to put together here, but when you're rear-ended and you're a passenger, there's no question that you have a claim. Depending on where the defendant lives, where you actually live, I think you're from Scranton, so that would be Pennsylvania. I don't know the defendant where he was from, the driver of the car where he was from, where their car was from. There's lots of moving parts here, which would help determine where the best place would be for this case to be venued, which just really means it's a legal way of saying where the case would be filed. But there's a lot of options, and we just would have some more questions. But like I said, a rear-end passenger, you're in the driver's seat for that case.
Yeah, or the passenger seat. But I think it's probably going to be filed in the other state, and it happens quite a bit. We end up signing cases up. We work with other attorneys across other states and jurisdictions. Sometimes we get admitted into that state to handle the case. So the answer is, if you're in a car accident anywhere in the United States, just call us. We can help. We'll we'll get you an answer and help you on your way. But we do a lot of work across the country. So, but I think it's probably going to rest where the accident happened. But
and again, begin that conversation right as soon as they can.
Oh God,
we have lots of attorneys in our firm that are
licensed in other states too.
In multiple states,
correct,
all over the place. You wouldn't even imagine.
Learn all about them on these websites, or just give that hotline a call.